Hey everyone, want to know if your website is showing up on Bing search? In this video, we'll show you how to check if your site is indexed on Bing in simple steps. This way, we can make sure our pages are being seen by the right audiences. Bing's index is a huge organized list of websites and content that Bing's web crawler, called BingBot, has found, visited, and decided is good enough to appear in search results. If our page is indexed, it can show up in Bing searches. If it's not indexed, it won't be visible to users searching on Bing. The main purpose of Bing's index is to organize and store web pages, so the search engine can quickly find and display the best results when people search. This helps Bing give fast, accurate, and complete search results by keeping track of website content, relevance, and ranking across the internet. Now let's check if our site is indexed or not. In this tutorial, even if you're new, you can follow along. First, open our browser of choice. Then, we go to bing.com. After we are redirected to the page, we go to the page we want to be checked and copy the page. We copy the URL of the website we want to check to see if it's on Bing or not. For example, let's take this website as an example. We copy the URL, then go back to Bing. First, we type site with a period after the letter E, and then paste the website we want to check. Make sure it's correct and that there are no spaces after site with period and the period. When we're done, we click enter. Wait for it to load. Now, read carefully. The label shows that thecountrymaster.com is indexed on Bing and can now be seen by searchers on this site. Info about this page will appear to corresponding users. That's it. Now we know how to check if our website is indexed on Bing. Keeping track of our indexed pages helps us improve our site's visibility and make sure our content reaches the right audience.